Hi, I'm Alison Edgar MBE, and today on the YouTube channel I am going to be talking about how to make friends and influence people. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. So today I am talking about this letter that I received in the post. So I'm going to bring it right up so that you can see it. So the letter is from Kier Starmer MPE. So that's Sir Kier Starmer MP to you and I. And the reason that he wrote me a letter was to congratulate me on the honour, on the Queen's Birthday Honour list. So for those of you who don't know who Sir Kier Starmer is, he is the leader of the opposition party, which is the Labour Party. And that's like the direct opposite of the Prime Minister, who's in the Conservative Party, and is Boris Johnson. For those of you who may not be watching in the UK, that's like an overview of British politics in 10 seconds. So why did he write me a letter, and why does that influence people? So the letter that he wrote was to congratulate me on the Queen's Birthday Honour. And I'm going to read the paragraph that I think is really poignant. So the first paragraph is quite generic. It's lovely to have it acknowledged, but it could be acknowledging anyone for anything. So I write to offer my sincere congratulations to you on the awarding of the Member of the British Empire Medal in the Queen's Birthday Honours. It's lovely. Now, so you can get an honour for lots of different things. It's for extending effort in a certain place. So you can get one for sport, you can get one for charity, you can get one for the military, services to canoeing, service to crocheting, allotment growing. A lot of people you can get an MBE for. Mine was actually for entrepreneurship and business. So something that's really close to my heart. But this is where, when somebody wrote this letter, they had obviously looked at the work that I do and why I was actually given the honour in the first place. So this is the bit where you can start to make friends and influence people. It's the little tiny detail that you actually explain to them that you know, or you understand what they do. So the second paragraph reads, your contribution to the business sector, as well as your dedication and commitment to coaching and supporting future entrepreneurs, is exemplary and a credit to the sector at this time of immense difficulty and instability. Now, as you know, I'm dyslexic, so even reading that was really hard. I had to focus hard to get those words out. So why is that important? Well, somebody somewhere must have read the application. So somebody, I don't know who applied for it, but somebody applied for me to get the honour, and whoever wrote the letter must have really done that detail, because my clients obviously include the Apprentice winners, the Dragon's Den winners. I've got a portfolio of entrepreneurs that I've worked with who I've been involved with the journey, and they've gone on to build multi-million-pound businesses. So it's just so nice for somebody to acknowledge that. And how does that help you? So, what can you do in your sales career or in your business career or in your everyday life? I think it's genuinely picking up things that are of interest to someone else. So if somebody's talking about their children and their names are Jack and Jill, refer to, how's Jill getting on at school, or how is Jack getting on at nursery? That really means a lot to the other person, that you've shown interest in them and their family. So you can see from that, obviously in the letter, that's one of the things that, that has influenced me. I'm not saying it would mean that I would cast a vote, but it's influenced me to look at Sir Kier Starmer and the Labour Party with really positive influence because of the letter that they have sent to acknowledge the MBE. So that's, again, one of the top tips with that. And, the letter's typed, but Sir Kier Starmer has actually signed it with a pen. So he's probably looked at it. He's probably had loads of letters, but it's quite a personal touch. So my top tips for you to be able to influence other people is genuine. I think it's showing genuine research on what they do and what is important to them, and letting them know that you know that. And that's how you make friends and influence people. So don't forget, there will be more top tips on the YouTube channel. Subscribe in and turn on the notifications. I've been Alison Edgar MBE.